is one of my favorites, family. See, listen, being able to make light of the mood, being able to use but I have to, let me give you the caveat. We must ensure that we use it appropriately so we can diffuse the tension at the same time displaying confidence in your ability to navigate difficult situations. I know what you're thinking, and you're on the other side of this, and you're saying, well, ED, what does that look like? Here's a good example. I've done this in a meeting. I've done it many times. Here's a secret, and I want to give you the best value that I possibly can give you. Here we go, family. I would say, hey, Fred, before you tell me what your deadline is for the project, I got to tell you a little secret. Fred is like, he's caught off guard. Like, what is he talking about? What's going on? I want to tell you, Fred, I saved a bunch of money by switching to Geico. And everybody on the call just falls out laughing because they're like, this guy, what is wrong with that? Now I got you. Now your defense is down. Now all of the tension that was in the room, it's minimized for a time being. Now I go in for what we call the kill.